Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your screen is going black when scrolling using your mouse on Windows 10. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I'd recommend doing would be to open up the Start menu, type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager here. Go ahead and just open that up. Go ahead and expand where it says mice and other pointing devices. Just double click on it and then right click on your mouse and select uninstall device. It says warning, you're about to uninstall this device from your system. Go ahead and select uninstall. Once you've uninstalled it, go ahead and restart your computer. But before your computer restarts, make sure you unplug your mouse and then plug your mouse back in and then see if that resolves the problem. Another thing you can try here, if you close out of here. So go ahead and restart your computer. So then once you've restarted your computer, hopefully that would have resolved the problem. Something else you can try here, open up the Start menu, go back into Device Manager, and go ahead and open that up. Double click on the display adapter entry, and then right click on your display adapter and select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers, and then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. I would go with the manufacturer specific one unless you only had a generic one to choose from, in which case you do whatever one you have available, and then select Next. And then once that's done, go ahead and select Close. Close out of here, restart your computer, and again, see if that has resolved your problem. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.